Arise and shine, O Nobisco.
His Royal Majesty Yana Abukari Muhammad II, Board of Governors, the Headmaster and staff, the PTA, NOSA, both past and present students of Northern School of Business, Nobisco, invite the general public to the 50th anniversary celebration of Northern School of Business. Theme: celebrating 50 years of holistic education, the Nobisco story. In attendance will be His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President, Republic of Ghana. A special guest of honor, Chairman of the Grand Derby, will be Yana Abukari Muhammad II, King of Dagbon. The guest speaker will be Professor Seydou Alassane, Vice Chancellor, University for Development Studies. The guest of honor will be Northern Regional Minister, Honorable Shani Alassane Saibu.
Ambition is the ladder to success.